Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Real quick, I have a pool with a suction device called a navigator, and it moves around the bottom of the pool. It's got a hose that attaches to the suction piece on the wall of the pool, and a piece of the hose broke just because it was old. So when it breaks, often it breaks right here where my finger is, and it leaves part of the old hose stuck inside one of the newer hoses, or the ones that are still serviceable. So I wanted to show you how I got that old piece out of there, because it's shoved in there really tight. It's a friction fit or an interference fit. Anyway, the way you do it is you take a large awl or a pick or something sharp, but not sharp on an edge where it's going to cut like a knife. You shove it in there like that, in between the old and the new, and just keep shoving it and shoving it and shoving it. Eventually you're going to break the old stuff because it's pretty brittle anyway. And once you break it, it's going to be pretty loose, and then you can use another tool like that, or even your fingers, to just pull it out. Okay, so just this really quick one. Just wanted to show this to you guys and gals. Okay, Froggy out. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to sign off. One more thing. Be safe, have fun, ring the bell if you want to get notifications. Let's go, Brandon.